Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Keurig water filters is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for ensuring your morning brew is as delicious and pure as possible, directly impacting the taste and quality of every single cup you make. And while they might seem simple, choosing the right one involves understanding how they work to remove impurities and maintain the optimal flavor profile of your favorite K-Cup pods. Number 5. IMPRESA Coffee Machine Descaler. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? Our powerful descaler is specially formulated to gently restore its optimal performance. This descaling solution works with virtually all single-use coffee and espresso machines. It's compatible with popular brands like Nespresso and DeLonghi, and many more. Regularly remove limescale and mineral deposits to prevent corrosion. This not only extends your machine's lifespan but also significantly enhances the taste of your coffee. Whether you have an automatic, manual, pod, or filter machine, this descaler is suitable for cleaning it. It even works for kettles and electric water heaters. Get 2 uses per bottle of this effective descaling solution, proudly made in the USA. For best results, decale your machine every 2 to 3 months. What we like? This descaler is incredibly powerful yet gentle on your coffee machine. It's formulated to work with virtually all single-use coffee and espresso machines, ensuring broad compatibility. If you're looking to restore your machine's performance and significantly enhance the taste of your coffee while prolonging its lifespan, this is the solution for you. It's especially great for those with multiple types of coffee makers or who want a reliable, made in the USA option. What people say. It broke down the hard water and mineral buildup incredibly fast. After running the solution through and flushing the machine, it is brewing a full cup in half the time it was taking yesterday. No strong chemical smell, comparable to other name brand options. After running the cycle, my Keurig brewed normally and the warning light turned off. Number 4. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with virtually all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. Our filters feature advanced micromesh material, ensuring that the charcoal stays securely inside. This prevents any clogging of your coffee maker. Experience the best tasting coffee right at home. These filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors using activated charcoal for superior flavor. We are committed to reducing waste with our eco-friendly shipping practices. Your filters arrive with minimal packaging, and each one is individually sealed for optimal protection. We are confident that our filters are the most effective available. If you're not completely satisfied, please reach out to our customer support team for assistance. What we like? These replacement filters are designed for a perfect fit in almost all Keurig machines, ensuring no charcoal escapes into your brew. The micromesh material is key to keeping your coffee tasting its best by removing impurities, calcium, and chlorine. If you're looking for an eco-friendly option that consistently delivers a great tasting cup of coffee at home, these filters are an excellent choice. They are ideal for regular Keurig users who prioritize flavor and convenience. What people say. The perfect fit feature is a game changer. They are universally compatible with a wide range of Keurig machines, including both the Smart and traditional Brewer groups, K-Duo and K-Slim series, and even K-Express models. The micromesh material of these filters is a standout. It keeps the charcoal inside, preventing any clogging in my coffee maker, which is a relief for any regular Keurig user. The improvement in coffee flavor is noticeable. It's like having a professional barista in my kitchen. These filters efficiently remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. Fits perfect into my Keurig. I taste a difference in the cleanliness of my water and fresh coffee. Super easy to use and set it up. This is a quality item and you will struggle to find a similar quality and value out there. Number 3. Keurig 3-month Brewer Maintenance Kit. Ensure your Keurig coffee maker always brews at its best. This kit provides everything you need for optimal performance. Regular maintenance is key to enjoying delicious coffee every time. This kit helps you achieve that consistently. Inside, you'll find a powerful descaling solution to remove buildup, water filter cartridges for pure taste, and rinse pods for a clean brew. Designed to work seamlessly with both classic 1.0 and 2.0 Keurig K-Cup coffee makers. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance for your specific model. This 7-count kit provides a convenient 3-month supply of essential maintenance items. keep your brewer in top shape without worry. Using these components is straightforward, ensuring a simple process to maintain your coffee maker. Get ready for a superior coffee experience. What we like. This is a comprehensive 3-month brewer maintenance kit designed to keep your Keurig running smoothly. It includes everything you need: descaling solution, water filter cartridges, and rinse pods, all compatible with classic 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cup coffee makers. If you want a hassle-free way to ensure optimal performance and taste from your Keurig brewer throughout the year, this all-in-one kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for those who prefer a scheduled, easy maintenance routine. What people say. Keeps my Keurig clean and working. It really extends the life of the coffee maker by getting rid of scale buildup from our water system. The kit contains everything you need to keep your Keurig running smoothly and extend its lifespan. The descaling solution effectively removes any mineral deposits and buildup inside the machine, while the water filter cartridges help maintain pure and fresh-tasting water for brewing. The instructions provided in the kit are clear and easy to follow, making the maintenance process a breeze. It eliminated the lime scale buildup and restored my machine's performance to like-new condition. Number 2. BRENSTEN 12-pack replacement charcoal water filters for Keurig. Enjoy the full flavor and aroma of your coffee with these premium quality replacement charcoal filters. They effectively remove impurities like chlorine and odors from your water before brewing. Designed for Keurig 2.0 and older models, these filters improve water quality. This not only enhances your coffee's taste but also helps prolong the life of your coffee maker. Installing these filters is a breeze, offering a more affordable way to achieve delicious coffee. They allow the true aroma and fresh brewed flavors to shine through. These filters are compatible with all Keurig coffee makers that require a filter, including various models like Elite, Classic, and Platinum. They are designed to meet or exceed original performance standards. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace these filters after every 60 tank refills or 60 days. Experience the difference in your very first cup. These high-quality water filters offer an affordable solution without compromising on performance. You'll notice a significant improvement in taste and aroma immediately. What we like. These premium quality charcoal filters are specifically designed to remove chlorine, odors, and other water impurities before brewing. They are compatible with Keurig 2.0 and 1.0 machines, offering a universal fit and easy installation. If you're looking for an affordable way to significantly improve the taste and aroma of your coffee by ensuring you start with pure water, these 12-pack filters are a fantastic value. They are perfect for frequent coffee drinkers who want to consistently enjoy the best possible flavor. What people say. Product performs as described. Fits perfectly. The filtering quality is excellent. The coffee has no aftertaste or off flavor, even starting with already off-tasting water in Florida. These fit and definitely remove bad odor from well water. Number 1. Keurig Water Filter Refill Cartridges 6-count. Start your day with the best. Our water filters ensure every cup is brewed with pure, great-tasting water. This pack includes 6 cartridges, providing a full year of filtered water. Enjoy consistent quality without frequent replacements. They effectively remove chlorine and other impurities from your water. This significantly enhances the flavor of your coffee and other beverages. For optimal performance, replace the filter every 2 months or after 60 tank refills. It's a simple step for superior taste. These are designed to fit perfectly with all Keurig water filter handles. Enjoy a seamless brewing experience. Made from BPA-free and high-quality materials, you can trust their safety and effectiveness. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. What we like. These replacement water filter cartridges are all about starting with great-tasting water for your beverages. They effectively remove chlorine, which can impact flavor, and this pack provides a 12-month supply. If you're looking for a simple, long-lasting solution to improve the quality of your water for coffee and other hot beverages, these cartridges are an excellent choice. They are ideal for users who want a consistent supply of filtered water without frequent replacements. What people say. These little filters remove all of that and do it well. The quality is my main reason for buying these filters replacements. They are very easy to install and fit and work well. These cartridges have been a game changer for my morning coffee routine. They filter out impurities and minerals that can affect the taste of my coffee, leaving me with a smooth and delicious cup every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.